guys, it's Eric here, and Huawei sent me an early birthday present, so I'm going to be unboxing it as well as giving away free accessories to lucky subscribers in Lagos, Nigeria. Instructions on how to win at the end of this video. When we opened the box, we were greeted with the Huawei P30 Pro wrapped in plastic. This one comes in Aurora. Underneath that, you have an envelope that houses a SIM ejector tool, a quick start guide. I went through it looking for supported bands and I found it on GSM Arena. It does support a whole lot of 4G bands including Glow 4G. You get a transparent gel case that fits well with all the necessary cutouts. It does seem like one of the high quality ones that don't turn white or yellow over a long period of time. We have a whopping 40-watt fast charger. I've never seen one of these in the store before. You have a USB Type-C cable and a headphone which connects to your USB Type-C port because there's no headphone jack on this guy. Big shout out and a huge thank you to Huawei for this gift. The P30 Pro is a one-of-a-kind flagship because it combines a beautiful glass and aluminum sandwich exterior with cutting-edge mobile phone technology, especially in respect to its camera, which 5 months later is still a crowd pleaser. As far as smartphones are concerned, the zoom capability remains undefeated yet. Aside that, some of the features I'm excited to try is the IP68 dust and water resistance and reverse wireless charging, not to mention the 4200 mAh battery powering this guy. It's definitely going to be my daily driver for some extreme use. I already talked about the specs on this channel, so I'll be showing you the specifics of this particular unit. This is a 256GB storage variant with 8GB of RAM. Everything runs smoothly on Android 9 Pie with EMUI 9.1 slapped on top of it. The EMUI 10 is on its way and I'm pretty excited for that. Prices start at around 255,000 Naira on Jumia Nigeria, which converts to $700 for the 128GB variant. And of course, you can expand the storage with Huawei's own nano memory card, which fits into the hybrid SIM tray. So, Rhinoshield, a company widely known for their super tough military-grade protective cases, reached out to me and sent me a bunch of accessories for the Huawei P30 Lite, and they all offer drop protection up to 11 feet. They ship to Nigeria, but they aren't cheap. Each one costs 13,000 Naira or $35 plus $6 for shipping. Some of you will get one for free. In order to win, all you have to do is take a picture of your P30 Lite and share on Twitter or Instagram with the hashtag Rhinoshield and tag me. I'll be leaving a link to their website in the description box. You can shop directly on there. Winners will be selected immediately and whoever gets the bumper case also gets the screen protector as a bonus. Again, huge thanks to Huawei for sending this unit over. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also subscribe if you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.